This flavorful, crunchy, healthy kale salad with a citrusy, tangy homemade dressing is super simple to make and makes a perfect side dish. The combination of fruits and nuts and cheeses is just refreshing. For this salad, I claim less is more. Keep it simple and keep it delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make it today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To start, we're going to make our simple dressing. This dressing is good for more than just this salad. I love it on a grilled chicken salad or just any salad. Make the dressing by combining 1/2 cup of olive oil, the zest from 1 large lemon, which equals about 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and you want to make sure you measure that because too much lemon juice would make this a little too tart. Alongside that lemon juice, add in 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, which is about 2 cloves. Then we're going to add to that 2 teaspoons of sugar, then 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then give that a good stir. Super simple to make, and it will brighten up any salad. Now for the salad part, don't blink or you're going to miss it. You're going to need 6 cups of chopped kale, and I'm using a curly leaf style, but you can most certainly use the Tuscan style kale. First thing with kale, we need to cut the leaf off the stem. To do that, fold the leaf in half and then run your knife along the stem and cut off the leaf. Then take those leaves and fold it in half or stack them on top of each other and run your knife over it in both directions to get smaller pieces. Take your chopped kale and place it in a bowl that you can strain through. Then run that under cold water. Make sure you toss that around. Do it for about a minute to help get any extra dirt out of that kale. I'm using a salad spinner to get out that extra moisture, but you can definitely put it on a towel and pat it dry. To our chopped kale salad, I love adding the crunch and sweetness of an apple. A Granny Smith or Honeycrisp are the 2 that I prefer, so I'm going to use them both. Take your washed apples and cut them into about a 1/2 inch size pieces. We've added our chopped kale to the bowl. Now we're going to add in our cubed up apples. Then we're going to add in 3/4 cup of craisins, which are also a fun texture and add a nice sweetness and subtle tang. 1/2 cup of sliced almonds, which you could toast them if you want to. Either way, they're delicious. You could swap this for pecans or walnuts or even sunflower seeds. I love the crunch. And of course, feta, in which I'm using 3/4 cup to about a 1 cup worth. The saltiness from the feta brings this salad the perfect combination and balance, which your taste buds are just gonna love. Of course, this is your salad, so add or take away anything that you want. Pour the dressing over the salad right before serving, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.